Yeah, you know, like the wheels need to be kicked out a little bit. It needs to be lowered.
Are you trying to put a different engine into it to sell it, or are you going to sell it?
I'm going to sell it
Just
without an engine.
Gotcha. That makes sense.
I have the interior for it. It's all blue. It's kind of cool, but.
Oh, that's neat. Yeah. Like the old Testarossas.
I have a fiberglass dash that goes in it, but it has brand new floors. Everything's the whole chassis is painted.
That is wild.
Brakes. It doesn't have. It has a drum on the front. It should have disc, but I was gonna switch it over to disc, but it's just not.
Yeah.
And then I took out one of the wiper blades.
It's probably so light.
It's very light.
I mean, not to say the drums are always a good idea.
Actually, you know what though? This
car.
body's really well made. It's pretty heavy.
Wow. That is neat. I can't. We're living in a duplex.
I really honestly wasn't gonna ask that much for it, so.
Yeah.
I was gonna put it up there for like $5,500.
Oh, there you go. Somebody will hop on that. I don't think kid cars have. So you would know better than I do, but I feel like they don't have the stigma that they used to.
Yeah.
I'm seeing like I always kind of thought, why not? Whatever. It's fun. Like I never had a sort of attitude of like, oh, get that piece of shit out of here, blah blah whatever. I see a kid car at a car show. It's fun. It's like, okay, what was this thing? That's fun though. Man, what a cool looking weird hodgepodge of like.
It needs to be low.
Yeah.
they did make it. They actually got in trouble for making this too much like a Beano.
Yeah, it's like
Ferrari went after them. That's why they stopped making them.
Yeah, it's like with the Fiero. What was the? I forget what it was.
Oh, the one that GM made.
Yeah.
That's actually a real car. They made those.
I mean, in that size, right? In that size, I've never seen one.
Yeah, I haven't. I think it was a GI Joe. I think.
Oh yeah, it could be. Yep. Just not branded or nothing.
That's the same.
It is. Yeah, I love this thing.
iPhone sucks.
Dude, this thing is 4 years old, and I dropped this down cliffs. Going
yeah,
on
but I'm just saying they take awesome pictures.
They do.
Yeah, the iPhone does not even.
There was a time period the iPhones were better. That time's long gone. Years ago they got. Holy cow! I love the bicycle poster there. You always got cool stuff around here. How you been otherwise?
I'm good. Yeah.
Man, I pulled in and I saw that orange Beetle and I thought, maybe, just maybe, if I. Well, I'm glad to see you putting this thing back together, but yeah, that sounds like a mess.
I've worked on this car for so long.
I can't judge the guy
because I've worked on that car for 10 years. No, I'm
Jeez,
serious.
really?
I'm always working on it.
So just a good friend of yours, or?
Yeah, he's a good friend.
That makes sense. And you got one of those little Subarus. Holy cow!
No, that's not.
What is it?
It's a Hi-Jet.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's
It's the oldest one in the U.S. It's a 64, first year.
Holy cow!
It's super old. That's why I bought it. I just thought it was cool.
That's the original K truck, basically.
Yeah, it is. The doors are suicide
Holy
doors. They go backwards.
Oh, I noticed that. Yeah.
It's
So-
wicked cool.
So who was this? Mitsubishi? I can't remember.
They ought to.
That's right. I was gonna say that at first, but I didn't think they were around yet.
The Hi-Jet too.
Oh man, that is so cool.
Yeah.
So it's mid-engine, basically, right?
Yeah. It's
Down
got-
here somewhere.
So I have a new engine block and everything for it. I was kind of thinking about putting like an air-cooled motorcycle engine in it.
Yeah, absolutely. You ever see those
You
Mini
could run the
Coopers?
transmission. You could run a motorcycle transmission off of it. You just put it in sideways and run the drive shaft. But
People do the old school Mini Coopers. No, the real Mini Coopers with Hayabusas, and those are fun.
Someone put a Hayabusa in it. It doesn't need to be fast. It'd be fun to
No,
drive
no.
around. I would leave it painted just the way it is.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I don't have the bed sides for it, so
Oh,
it's
man.
without the beds, so that the cab on it. My wife loves it.
I like the cab. Holy shit.
Somebody offered me $1,200 for the cab.
No, keep that together, man. That is awesome.
You know where this is from? The old Salem animal kingdom.
You're kidding.
From like the 60s, yeah.
Are you talking about
Salem, New Hampshire. The animal place over there.
Hudson, New Hampshire?
Is it Hudson? Yeah.
Yeah. You're talking about Benson's Animal Farm. Are you shitting me?
Had it over there, yeah.
Holy cow, it's like a... Holy cow, so that's basically like a slice of New England.
I have like new parts for all the lights. The guy gave it to me with it.
Wow.
You want
How did
that?
you find it?
What?
Like, how do you find something like that?
It was in Cooksit.